Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, that's right. We got something really cool by Kershaw in. I know. You see the Emerson logo? You already know what it's going to be, right? But for those of you who haven't figured it out, I wonder what we're going to take a look at today. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to show you the blade that came in this box and tell you everything you need to know about it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, we got one little bit of housekeeping info to get out the way early. If you like what you're about to see in this video, please go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. Alright, as you know, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw CQC-6K. That CQC just stands for Close Quarters Combat. Alright, the 6K is just basically what, the sixth in this line of amazing blades that we've brought to the channel. I told you I was going to bring as many as I could. I know, I've brought some already. Take a look right up top. There's going to be a card for every single affordable everyday carry series. And you're going to see some awesome CQC blades right in there. Now, before we go too much further, I know, you see the package open. So in there, they give you some replacement screws for the, the little, the clip, which is always appreciated. They give you their great little, propaganda on this is how you take care of your blade. And the fun stuff about how to use the weight feature. But I'm going to show you all that here in a moment. Now, I did like the coloration of it with the black G10 scale and the gray backing. I thought that was kind of neat, and the blacked out blade. Plus the fact it's part of the CQC series, and I told you I'm going to need to bring every one of these that I can to the channel. Feels pretty good in the hand. And I've had some, fun getting it in and out of a pocket without trying to stab myself. Now, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. This is an Ernest Emerson design in collaboration with Kershaw. As I'm sure y'all know, he does some great work with blades. It's got an overall length of 7.75 inches. The blade is 3.25 and closed it's 4.50. It's got a weight to it of 5.01 ounces. You can feel it in the pocket, but I'll be honest with you, you don't after a little while. It just seems to even itself out, or you just forget about the weight. It does have a plain edge with a hollow grind, and it is done in what they call the clip point style. Now, the blade steel is 8CR 14 MOV with a black coating. Now look, I get it guys, okay? It'll take an edge, it'll hold an edge for a while, but you're gonna get some great practice sharpening your blades. And let's get honest, that's part of the fun when you get a blade, is you're getting that feeling and just making it your own when you're going through and sharpening and doing things. Or maybe that's just me. Now, to open her up, you got the thumb paddle or the wave feature. Okay? Now, this wave feature is really freaking cool. Basically, that's designed, there's only one way to carry it, which is tip up, to catch on your pants pocket and fully deploy when you pull it out. That's why it's, close quarters combat, right? Now, let's see if I can do this without doing something stupid like I usually do trying to demo this. Imagine the paracord is your pants pocket. See, there I go, knocking the camera. Let's see if I can do that again without knocking the camera. That one is just buttery smooth in its opening. So that's what it's designed to do. So when you pull it, you get it out, you're ready to go. That's why I've also attached a different lanyard to it. Well, I should say, I used the lanyard hole to attach some paracord to it so I could pull it out and get that accelerated opening and get ready to go. It does have one black G10 scale, stainless steel frame, as you can see, with a frame lock. Now, you can carry this right hand or left hand style, depending on your preference, tip up only. As you can see, it's got a little lanyard hole, and in case you're wondering, yes, it is made in China. Alright, now let's get to the fun stuff like we usually like to do here on the channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, we only really do 3 basic cut tests, okay? Heavy duty stock paper. No problem going right through it. Let's see if we can get that curly cue. See. Alright, I keep pulling off to the side too much, but it started to. Now, why do I look to do those? Because, honestly, this is the way I've been taught. Anybody can take a blade, rip it right through a piece of paper. It can be almost dull, it can be almost anything. And you're going to, wow, that's sharp. But if you're going slow going through it, it should make those little curly cues, and that's going to give you a really good determination on its sharpness. Now I can see some yellow flecks right down here. I know with the light you probably can't see them, so I'm sorry, but I do see them on the blade. Alright, normal paracord pull test. Okay. Now slice test. Yeah, no problem. And I know, Mr. Ratchet Strap is about to give up more of himself for the channel. Yeah, right through, no problem. Alright. No, not really any fuzzies or anything else like that on there. Okay. Now, I found it in 3 different areas. Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. When I did the homework on this video on April 11th, 2020, it was out of stock on Blade HQ, but it has a price of $28.99. Kershaw's got it listed at $63.51, and Amazon currently had it listed at $41.10. It's been reviewed 4 times on Blade HQ for 2 3/4 stars out of 5. 22 times on Kershaw for 5 out of 5, and this one has been reviewed 33 times for 4 1/4 stars out of 5 on Amazon, which I thought was funny because most other reviews I found for the CQC series, they lump all of them together. But here's the best part of the video to me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I also want to know, do you think she's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I've carried it, kind of like it. I can't wait to carry some more of these guys. But that fun stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to say thank you so very much for watching this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful, especially during this quarantine time, that you're giving me some of your, your day, your time, your most precious commodity. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, first of all, give me a moment, leave me a comment down below what I can do to earn your subscription. Be constructive, okay? Those are the ones I'm pretty much going to pay attention to and take into account. If you say something like, oh, your voice drives me insane. Dude, look, I've had this for almost 50 years now. Not much I can do to change it, alright? Now, after you've done that, go ahead, look right over here. Wait a minute. No, it's in this corner, sorry. This corner over here. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little notification icon that's right next to it. Kind of looks like a little bell. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw CQC-6K like Kilo. Thanks for watching, and I hope all of you have a great, wonderful, and safe day today.